quick demo of the remote tool. So just to give you a bit of background, what we have actually done as iStratgo is we've been working a lot on iStratgo tool to make it friendly for people that work remotely. And the thinking is that with the new ways of work, there's going to be a need for people to work from wherever they are, but you want to be able to manage the productivity that comes out of that process. So what we have done is we have built a tool that will support people during this coronavirus crisis that are going to be working from home. So how do they manage their work? How do they actually make sure that they collaborate with their people? How do we track the activities that they're supposed to do? So just to start, I've logged in here. You can see I'm logged in as John Davis. And what I'm basically doing is when I start working is I'll just clock in. So I'll use my clock in and then it shows the time that I would have clocked in. So now I'm ready to work. And what I want to do is I want to be able to go in and start tracking my time. So I'll go to my timesheets, and then I go to time tracking. Now on the time tracking side, what I do is when I want to work on something, so what I've done is I've created these tasks that I'm going to be working on today. So I'll create a task and I would select the category day-to-day work. This would have already been set by the administrator. And then I would say, okay, I am busy on a meeting. So right now I'm recording this. It's a meeting with you guys live. So what I'll then do and say, okay, I'm doing online meeting. So here the activities, I'm describing what I'm doing. Thumbnail there. So I'll select today's date. And then here what I'll do is, because I'm recording in real time, I'll just click on the save button. And then you can see my timer here with 00, and then I'll click start. Now I can then go in and work on whatever I'm working on. I just minimize this particular window. Now the other things that we're able to do with this tool is you're able to see people that are online. So I can just go in and click and see there are 3 people online. Here you can see that there's Belinda and myself, John, and Nyale, all of online. The other guys are offline. So here this helps in terms from a collaboration perspective. So if I can see who's online, I can actually use my other tools like Microsoft Teams to be able to do a call or to collaborate on an idea or something that I'm working on. The other thing that we've done is we've created a way for companies to be able to actually broadcast information to everyone who's working remotely. So an administrator basically would see that, would go under company notices, and then you can see here all the notices that have been created. If I want to create a notice, I just put a title called COVID remote working, and then I can actually put in the information to say we are going to be using iStratgo to work remotely. Okay, so I can copy and paste, put the information, and then I select when it should expire, right? So I'm going to just select that date, which is the 31st. Select that people should actually confirm that they've read it. And then as an administrator, I'll save it. So it automatically becomes available on my homepage. So if I go down to my company notices, I can actually see the remote working. So here what I can do is I can actually go in and click, read the notice, and then confirm that I've actually read it. So here companies can over communicate instead of just communicating what is necessary. So this iStratgo tool is available to our clients for no extra, but it's also available to potential clients. And remember, they've got a 30-day free trial that they can take advantage of it and use it. And hopefully, it keeps our productivity up. Thank you so much, guys, and all the best. Stay safe, and yeah, let's keep producing for our economy.